Hello guys, my name is Akshat. So in this video I will tell about how you can make a bootable pen drive for Kali Linux. Let's start this video. For making a bootable pen drive, we have to download one software, Refuse, for Windows 10 here, and you can download from here 1.1 MB. Okay, so I download already and installed. It is very simple steps, you can easily download and install. So I have downloaded and installed here in my desktop screen. So let's start this, and yes, so it start running. So there is, I have already plugged my pen drive in machine. So this was a bootable pen drive already I have. It will erase when I start. Let's close this. Update it. It was update. So we have to choose first OS, operating system, to select from here, and I have Windows, Linux, some Linux and Arch and many others operating system. So I will make a bootable pen drive of this version. Okay, open, start. So write ISO match mode. Okay, it is giving a warning. When you make a bootable pen drive, it erases all data. Making a bootable pen drive, okay, so it is deleting all data, old data. So data is deleted, and it is starting bootable it is starting making a bootable pen drive. It will take time. So guys, our bootable pen drive is ready. Close and refresh and check. So our Kali live is ready. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.